Thanks for joining. We're going to walk through what a compressor inspection process looks like in Assetas from a tablet, and we can easily apply these inspection processes to any type of equipment that requires routine inspections. So switching over to the tablet, I've received an email notification that an inspection is due for this compressor by August 26th. And within the email, I can click on the link that takes me directly to the inspection form. Some of the data in the form will be pre-populated with my information. I can then select the compressor and start filling out my inspection. I'll enter in the oil pressure, and next the discharge pressure. I'll complete my visual check and enter any comments. I'll mark that I've drained the liquid and cleaned the cooling surfaces. And I can also measure the supply tank level and add any notes. There are also fields for additional comments and the ability to capture photos, and I can add my signature and submit my inspection. Inspections can be custom configured for any number of questions, show hide logic, and various triggers and actions. They can also be completed online or offline. I've received an email notification with a new task, and that's because we had entered 35 psi for the crankcase oil pressure, which is outside the acceptable range of 40 to 60 psi. So, clicking this task to open it online, it opens the new task in the browser. I can then see the details of the task, the form associated with the task, the assignees, and any other pertinent information, including your associated assets, which is the ELMO2 compressor. I can also add correspondence to our task and any associated documents. Once I've resolved the task, I can then scroll up and click the button to automatically close out the task. This marks the task as complete in Assetas. Switching over to the desktop view, we now see our dashboard in Assetas, and I'm going to walk you through how we're going to find that compressor in our full desktop version. We'll click Assets and then Search, and then we'll select Compressor as the type of asset that we're searching for. This will load all the compressors. We see our ELMO2 compressor and click on that. This will load the asset details for the ELMO2 compressor. Scrolling down, now we can see the attributes associated with that repetitive inspection. You can see our last inspection date was updated, the last inspection completed by with my name, and the next inspection date is automatically set by using the last inspection date plus 30 days. Thanks so much for your time. We hope these videos give you some ideas of how you can operate wisely with Assetas.